Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. After that you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Google Meet. When you'll find this list of apps on for you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 2 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your